Decline for this deeply unpleasant arrangement. I apologize. I have a fear of being contaminated by all sorts of things. I have an only son, whose name is Shitao. 3 years ago, without any explanation, he left for Asia. A year after he left, he sent me a telegram from the island of Mindanao in the Philippines. He asked me to deposit $10,000 into his account. I did so without question. A month later, he asked for the same amount again. This time I sent a detective, a man named Vargas. Vargas searched for 6 weeks and had reasons to believe that my son was looking after an orphanage in an area occupied by gold miners. A short while later, I received a telegram from Vargas. He said everything was fine, that I could send the money, that it was for the orphanage. I sent the money. Since then, 13 months have passed without any news, and I have no means of reaching Vargas.